Okay, I'm dressed now. I noticed that putting that Givenchy lip balm on made my lipstick lighter. And I want it to be darker. So I blotted it down with toilet paper. And I'm reapplying. It's a little bit gritty. I really liked the way it looked yesterday though. There, I like that better. Let me get a Q-tip and make sure the borders are clean. The borders are, you know what, I didn't contour my nose. Shoot. I don't know what I did. I made it look worse. Alright, now I'm going to show you my outfit. I'm through foffing around. So I have on mother jeans today. These are, I don't know what they're called, Stunner or something. So I have on my mother jeans. I don't know what they're called. Stunner or something. I'll put them in the description box. They come out with, every season they come out with new styles. I have on my Vans in the limited edition tiger print. See. Yeah, we'll do some yoga this morning. And I have on my Pink Floyd shirt, and it's a little cropped. Yeah, I'm goofy this morning. I think it's the prednisone and no sleep. I have on my Michelle watch. I have on some new earrings. They're in the second holes. Can't use the first holes because I upset those yesterday. It's good to have alternate holes. And I got an earring up there. I didn't piss that hole off, but these are really angry. These have some heat in them this morning. Still not certain I like my under eye look. I have some shadow from MAC. It's called Legendary Black. Let's see what that looks like. It's not a very black. And I'm going to take some Laura Mercier translucent powder and buff underneath to make that real smoky. I'm not buffing over it, just right up to the edge of it. Okay, I'm going to take y'all in the car with me. We'll be leaving in about 30 minutes. to go do some more wedding hair and makeup. Ta-ta. All right, let's go. I'm going to work. It's 7:33. I'm supposed to be there at 7:45. I can't tell you why I'm running late.
Planters Point Boulevard.
It's because I'm a ding-dong. It's because I had to fix another coffee. It's 55 degrees. Cut the air conditioner off. Let's have some heat on the subject. So I have on a Vulcan blazer. I have on a Chaser, I think it's Chaser t-shirt. It might be the RETROBRAND that's part of Free People. So I don't even have to leave Mount Pleasant this morning. Oh, man. It's awesome sauce, right? I like when my job is really close by. We're right across the street from, I don't think I've ever been to a wedding at Rivertown Country Club, but I've been to.
GPS signal lost.
I've been to weddings, done weddings over at Dunes West quite a few times. Dunes West has a seawall, not really a sea. It's done with wood, and it's got deep water, and it's got grass and a big oak tree, so it's really scenic for setting up for a wedding ceremony. I'm liking the dark red lip, or the whatever, the bricky lip. Still have Godiva fingernail polish on. It's an ugly color. It looks like it turned in the sun. You know what I mean? It's too peachy. It looks like it yellowed. Looks like acrylic nails that have yellowed in the sun. So I need, although I have the same, it matches my hands pretty good to give me mannequin hands. Remember when that was a big deal? Mannequin hands. It matches pretty good. I'll quit whining about it. So I lined my waterline with Royal pencil from Makeup Geek. Pat bought me pencils from her years ago, and it came, you know how like Crayola makes pencils, colored pencils, and they come in a little box? That's how these came, and it's one of those. I don't think she makes that particular product anymore. I don't know. Every time I mention one of her pencils, I go back and look, and then I can't recall it again. I know that she doesn't have her nude pencils on her site, but you can get them at Target. Maybe I don't link Makeup Geek's site because she doesn't pay a commission. She doesn't pay me three pennies if you buy a pencil from her. I lose out on the whole 3 cents. So I link it somewhere where I'll make money. It says it's still 15 minutes. That's because it's searching for the GPS. Why aren't you working right this morning? Now it's 10 minutes, which will make me 4 minutes late. I shouldn't be late at all, considering I was up at 2:30. I am going home and taking a nap. I'm going to shut the blinds and put my earplugs in and turn my white noise on and read and go night-night. So far, no one's booked for tomorrow. So that's good. I got that going for me.
GPS signal lost.
I don't know why it's being so silly. I'm going to drive faster. Maybe that'll make the signal pick up. Wow, the traffic's heavy. Who would have thought at 7:40 on a Saturday morning? What is with this? I'm usually 30 minutes early. 30 minutes early to my appointments. I was watching a Lily Collins Parisian je ne sais quoi look. And I let the time creep up on me. I know I'm a bad person. Fright nights. They're going to still have fright nights at Boone Hall. What do you know? Oh, what was I talking about yesterday? I was trying to remember whether somebody had actually posted a picture of a mannequin with a mask on. And I think so. I think I've seen that. I think I've seen somebody go that one extra step to be obnoxious. Yep, still going to be 4 minutes late. So Taco gets bent out of shape when I say, I'm going to go now, or bye-bye. He starts growling and barking because he doesn't want Pat and I to kiss.
GPS signal lost.
What is wrong with you today? You better get your shit together, because I'm going to have to turn here in a minute and need to know where I'm going. I need a new phone is what I need. I need one of those $2,000 jobbies, right? I need a $2,000 phone like I need a hole in my head. So I switched out pocketbooks. I'm back to this one again. That's my phone charger hanging out. I'll link it in the down box. Is that? No, we're not there yet. Shit, man.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Mathis Ferry Road, State Road S1056.
What are these called? I can't remember what that bag's called. I think several of you got it though. It's really cute. It's black and shiny.
Turn right onto Mathis Ferry Road, State Road S1056. Then turn right to stay on Mathis Ferry Road.
And it holds a lot.
Take the next right to stay on Mathis Ferry Road, State Road S1056. Then turn left onto Lauda Drive.
Left?
Turn left onto Lauda Drive, then turn left onto Nantahala Boulevard.
Okay.
Take the next left onto Nantahala Boulevard.
It's not lying. It's telling me the truth, which is unusual.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Babington Way.
So this is, wow, there's a hill. That's unusual. This is, BRB. What are they called? BOB? I don't know. Or rental.
Take the next right onto Babington Way.
I'm going to be almost on time.
Continue on Babington Way for half a mile.
Oh my goodness. It's a big neighborhood. I didn't realize there was so much back here. Okay, I'm a minute late. Wow, it just goes on and 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 on. Shh, Nike. I feel like I've done this before.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Alrighty. 1728.
Your destination is on the right.
Okay, check y'all on the flip side. So I used the Scott Barnes Snatural palette on the Broad, and I used the Lawless The One palette on the Maid of Honor. Maid of Honor had dark hair and the Bride had blonde hair. The Maid of Honor had green eyes and the Bride had blue eyes. Used the Kiss lashes in the style Shy because neither one had ever worn lashes before. And I didn't want them, I didn't put the Demi Wispies because I knew they would find those cumbersome. There's a lot of baby walkers out this morning. So what, oh, I did a half updo on the Maid of Honor, braids on either side. I left the bride's hair down. She had a short chin length bob. So she has straight hair, straight fine hair. It's not thin, it's just fine. So I curled it on pin curls and made it feminine. And she had a sparkly headband. Makeup Geek eyeliner really transfers onto contacts. So if you have contacts, don't put the Makeup Geek Spectrum eyeliners on your waterline. Because now I can't see. The Maid of Honor is going to have a hard time being a Maid of Honor. Because she's got a 4-year-old and I don't know, 6 month, 8 month old. It's gonna be hard to be, and they're there, and she's nursing. I can't wait to get these contacts out. I can't see. I know I'm always whining about something, right? Our favorite steakhouse is a bank now. Burton's. I know, like you care. So what, Jenny? We don't care. It's okay, we don't go out and eat anymore anyway. Last time I went out to eat any out food was when we were in the mountains. And that was a mistake. I felt like a freaking toad. Tranquilized toad afterwards. So my new GHD curling iron is spectacular. I just want y'all to know that. I'm so glad I bought that. I bet I wouldn't have been able to get her hair to curl today had I not had that. If I had my old Bablis. My hairdresser was explaining to me, just because it was Bablis, however you pronounce it. I think it's Bablis. Didn't mean that it was all that, because it might not have been the professional grade one. You know what I'm saying? It was the affordable one for the commoners. I gotta get home and get these contacts out. This is crazy. I can't see. And I do not have any eye drops. I have some at home. I know. That does me a lot of good right now, doesn't it? That was a decaf coffee. My last 2 coffees this morning were decaf. That way I could ensure a nappy nap. I wonder if she'd tip me. I'm gonna tell y'all, because y'all don't care. You hope she didn't, don't you? I know how y'all are. Come on, people, let's go. Let's go.